Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Serpi. Now, today I'm going to be talking about a couple reports in the media, international media, where we hear say various countries put Jamaica on two different lists. One country rated Jamaica one of the safest places in the world to travel, and the next country I say people who are travel to that country don't bother go. Right, level 4, it sounds serious. In other words, stand in your hand because things might get spooky for you. May God address it. Before we go any further, we just want to briefly touch on the whole cabinet reshuffle when we go on. Now, you ever play domino? And when you always have that one bridging, when time of film time, we shuffle the domino. Every time about that, you wanna move and the domino them now move. You wonder what kind of shuffling that. So till you have to take domino from him, that's how that cabinet shuffle was. I don't know what kind of shuffle that. Might as well have shuffle in a one. The cabinet them may look on. The real key one them just get straight to the point. Ministry of National Security. Now everybody are the one that everybody eyed upon, right? Because you know say the Deputy Prime Minister, Dr. Horace Chang, him govern that. Now I did not expect him to lose that office. Remember, he's the Deputy Prime Minister. And them claims to them in the middle of bringing in new laws. So based on how politics work, them now gonna make Horace Chang come out now, and then the next minister come in who are gonna then bring in these new laws, and then it will look like say at the minister's work. Dr. Horace Chang are gonna see it through till the new laws them come in with them say them are bring in, and then it will be a political victory for Dr. Horace Chang. And Dr. Horace Chang was never going to go anywhere and make nobody else come get the credit when that new legislation come in. Now, with that said, I see the numbers them already. Something like 37 people in the first week. I'm telling you, 87 is not take break. Especially when time them beef them start. When them beef start and them quarrels start and things get hot, numbers spike. But even spookier than that. When you might tell me I wait for some final numbers. And when time I check the stats, I'm check the site where I get it from. I don't see the numbers. All the data was there from January the 1st to December 25th. And then when time I look, I wait, and then I see January the 1st to January the 8th, 2022. Where is the last week? Where is the last week of 2021 and the total numbers for 2021? We can't see it. No. I'm hoping, say, I compile data, let it go. Because surely this is not a case of they're trying to be, non-transparent, but want to see the numbers there. So, since the data is always available, and then you make 2022 available, which is disastrous, the first week of 2022 is worse than the first week of 2021. So the fact that they make that available, and then we can't see the last week of 2021, they will give them the benefit of the doubt and say, it's because they might compile the data. We're going to work with that until the next 2 or 3 weeks. If we don't see the data for the next 2 or 3 weeks and we can't find out what's going on in 2021, then we're going to have a different video to talk about. 37 in a 1 week. Anyway, let me touch back on the travel warnings. The India Times are one of them papers say Jamaica is one of the safest places to travel. Uncle Sam, one of them citizens them say, level 4, Jamaica, right? Save yourself, nobody go, it's spooky. No. In the interest of, because we want to make it clear, say, because at first I was like, well, let's pick out Jamaica, so it turns out even other countries like the UK, they're on the same level 4. So it seems like Uncle Sam is being broad with this, but when it comes down to Jamaica, them start to mention crime. Say if you're a tourist, if you're an American, right? Kingston spooky, Spanish Town spooky, Mobile spooky. Alright, we don't go deny facts. But I'm warning Jamaicans traveling to America. Say Southside Chicago spooky, Memphis spooky, right? Baltimore spooky. So be careful when I go Uncle Sam place. Uncle Sam, can you please stop the crap? Uncle Sam, rest assured, your beloved citizens are safe in Jamaica. There's a reason why India Times rank Jamaica as one of the safest places to travel. If you are a foreigner listening to this video right now, you can be Obviously, I can't guarantee it's safe to 100%. That would be ridiculous. But the idea say, you're going to just drop at Jamaica, and as you walk through the place, then head go fly off and foot go fly off. That is ridiculous. Uncle Sam is trolling. Cut the crap. The safest person walking in Jamaica right now is Billy Joe and Gwyneth. If you are a tourist, especially a Billy Joe or a Gwyneth tourist, you are safer than a Jamaican. 87s are not going around looking for a tourist. 87s afraid of tourists more than them afraid of the JCF. Let me repeat that. Your favorite bad man, wicked man, the tech man for toy, Glock in him, unmarked, kill and destroy, is afraid of, right? He's more afraid of tourists, provoking tourists, than he is his neighbor. He will war him neighbor, right, from now till thy kingdom come. But if him rise him gun off a Billy Joe, he better put it back down and apologize. When you see Billy Joe and Gwyneth, whether they come from America or England or Canada or wherever, go to Jamaica and lose them life is because them put themselves in very spooky situations. Them go buy some herbs in run one corner and one little bush lane or something go wrong. Or them a try buy rear end from a spot, and the man end up juke them down in more ways than one and take them things and run off. And in the process of trying to rob them, a fight broke out and he gets stabbed. This is how tourists get themselves in a problem. The vast majority of tourists who drop a yard, just walk around and take them picture and enjoy themselves, are safe. Jamaicans are not hunting you, Billy Joe. Jamaicans are not trying to kill you, Gwyneth. Jamaicans are trying to kill each other. Jamaicans are not sharpening them loss for the Billy Joe. They're sharpening their loss for their neighbors. The people them who them got school with. The people them who them used to go to see them church with. The people them who them know all them life. That's who them war with. Lane versus lane, community versus community, road versus road. Billy Joe, you are fine. Gwyneth, you are fine. If tourists were in danger in Jamaica, the tourism industry would have mashed up long time. There is a reason why no matter what, tourism is one of the few bright sparks when it comes on to Jamaican performance. Up until Big C, we don't know about now, up until Big C, every minute them broke new record. Record 2 million visitors, record 3 million visitors. To the point where Ed Bartlett, I cannot see Ed Bartlett ever losing. You see like what them have a cabinet reshuffle? Let me tell you who for name don't even have to be mentioned, right? Ed Bartlett. Theme position, safe, Minister of Tourism. That's how well tourism do. Why? Because tourists are safe. Cut the crap, Uncle Sam. Tourism is one of Jamaica's main, it done remittance, them go back and forth. I don't know which one is number one right now, but it's definitely the biggest source of revenue and anything, foreign exchange and anything. Employ a lot of people. Uncle Sam, when they come out and say, level 4, nobody going to Jamaica cannot crime. That's what Jamaican people call boxed food out of mouth. And if something they go so, me don't understand. But nothing go so. No crime now affect your citizens. Unless your citizens are foolish enough to go down a South St. Andrew when the man them and shoot it out. A matter of fact, come to think of it, that might actually end the war down there. Because if shoot out a Guana South St. Andrew or shoot out a Guana West Kingston and when them look next one coastal road a Billy Joe and Gwyneth turn it, they could have stopped fire shot. They could have stopped fire shot and turn in a tour guide. And start walking on the community. Well, if you look over this, you see the place which power dash head. And if you look over this, you see the place which power beat man and can violate. And over here, so the cook shop, you know, the curry go nice, right? That's how special your favorite Jamaican thing, Billy Joe and Gwyneth, is. Nothing goes so. Jamaica is one of the safest places for tourists. You want to be safe in Jamaica? Be a tourist. You want to be safe in Jamaica? Learn an accent. You know, people talk about learn a language, learn an accent. The next time you go Moby, if someone from Dunstugs stick you up, the best thing for you is probably say, hey man, I'm just traveling here, man. I'm just trying to see what's going on, man. Right. I'm from, I just came here from Mississippi, bro. Right, just put on a fake accent. Right. If them buy it, you might live. But if you ever go push it through the window and say, yo, what go on my dog? You know, say, you're good at it. So, learn your fake accent from now. All mobile residents, practice on a fake accent. Because the man them no trouble foreigner. Unless foreigner put themselves in a spooky positions. Cut the crap, Uncle Sam. Nothing now go on for your country, nobody try the foolishness. Just stay out of spooky situations. Nobody going on late and go do no deal with them, man. Anyway, H&S squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Whole chat squad, stay circling. Bless.